Okay guys, you can see here what I'm making. It's Nathan's famous hot dog, all beef wieners and jalapeno poppers, both wrapped in hickory smoked bacon. Put them in there at 350 just now, preheated oven, and I'm gonna leave them in probably about 20 minutes. We'll see. These are the hot dog franks that I'm using. I've done a review on these before. They're the best ones there are, in my opinion. You can see they're 100% beef, no byproducts, no fillers, no artificial flavors or colors, no gluten, corn syrup, skinless. They're just really good. So that's the hot dogs I'm using. I'm going to show you guys some bread. This Sara Lee Artisano is really good. I've not had the hot dog buns before, but the hamburger buns are so good. I had them the last time I made burgers and they were just really good. So I saw these hot dog buns in the same one, so that's what I'm going to use for my bacon wrapped hot dogs. Okay, since my oven was preheated, they only needed 15 minutes. They did not need 20 minutes. I'm going to let them sit here and cool off some to see where it's all nice and cooked up. Cheese is kind of exploding on me on the poppers, but they look good. I don't know if you can tell, but I've got my pan kind of tilted, so all the grease is draining to this side, all the bacon grease. You might want to do that while you're letting them cool down so they won't be as greasy. But see, you can see it kind of puddled on this edge. So just a recommendation. I'll probably put them on these paper towels in a second so they can soak up some more grease. Okay, so you can see I have transferred everything over to these paper towels to absorb the extra grease. I've got my artisan buns, and I'm just going to put one per each, and then top it off with some sharp cheddar and put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds each. On the bun, I've got spicy mustard, Duke's mayonnaise, and French's ketchup mixed together. So here's this one. Pop it in for 20 seconds. Just to warm the bun and melt the cheese a little bit. There we go. Serve myself 2 poppers. Oh, in the popper mix is just cream cheese and sharp cheddar mixed together. I've done a video on them a couple of times already. I'm going in for a bite. So good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one.